much only see that at the Modern Street Hemi Shootout. Final call. If you're in the Modern Street Hemi Shootout bracket race, final call. You should be. Once again, if you, on your FM radio, 100.5 if you're having problems here in the PA, you're in a dead spot. 100.5 on the FM dial. You're all the call up here in the tower, 100.5 FM.